Hi everyone, I got these from one of my hauls and I wanted to try it out and make some Easter nails for me and my daughter. So let's get into it. This comes with a little set to prep your nails. It comes with a file, a manicure stick, and a prep pad and some little instructions on how to use them. I push back the cuticle. Time to clean the nail. Then we're gonna wait for it to dry. Then we're going to pick the one that she wants. So I messed up on the other one and we're going to go ahead and redo it. What I like about these nail strips is that they're long, and so I don't want it to go to waste. I'm going to cut it in half and use this side for her other hand.
I really like about this nail is that it still has a little touch of blue, and also it sprinkles, and the pink background kind of reminds me like it's on like a cake.
It's cute. About the nails, I prepped the other nail and did everything I needed to do. And as you can see, there's just a little bit hanging down. So all I have to do is file that and we're done. When you put these nail strips on, you press for a little bit for them to actually stick and stay. So this part we just file off. You take the file and press just a little bit. And it begins to rip the wrap, the nail wrap. So as you can see, it's already cut. Then it just makes it easy to come off. And there it is. Done. And on the nail. Just press down on the nail a little bit. I cut it off with the scissors because you can actually use that part for another nail. And we're gonna go on to the next nails. I did prep them. I did push the cuticle back and use a little alcohol wipe down on the rest of the nails. Now we're gonna go with a character. And a blue one. Let's try this end work. The other half of the nail. Let's see. We'll just put it on and then we'll show it.
Probably a little bit. They're two different nail sizes. What do you know? Fits.
Here,
Done with one.
Right. Okay, look.
Done with one hand.
Okay, I went ahead and ended up using the end of one of them, which was this one on her nail. What I'm gonna do now is just file off the ends, and then this hand will be done. And then I will show you guys how it looks at the end.
Now we're switching it up, and now it's my turn to do my mom's nails.
Okay. Did one. You can see right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm doing this one.
Wait, which one are you doing?
The character.
This. Okay. Let me take it off. Let me see your finger. Let me see if it fits. Okay, it does fit. Okay, give me the scissors, please. Thank you. And okay, where do you recommend?
Just cut.
Right here?
Right this side. There's just a little tiny piece that needs to be filled in.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
And okay.
Okay, that doesn't matter. No. So we're gonna use, where's it at?
Here you go. Right here.
We're gonna use this little tiny bit to fill in the corner right here. See? And then you push down.
That is so smart.
Push down.
Hold on, let me just.
Because it's glitter and not necessarily just the regular one.
I'm trying to push down hard so I can stay on.
And there it is. You can't even tell. It's a piece.
You can't even tell.
So all you gotta do is file it down.
Especially from far away. Okay.
That's the only thing I love about the glitter ones is that you can use the little bits to fill in if it doesn't fit on your nail. And you can't tell because it's glitter. So all you have to do now is just file my little bits, and then we're done with one hand.
You want me to file it? And I'll file it down for you.
Are we in print?
Right here? Right here? Okay. Is it right now?
Mm-hmm.
Trying to get the little piece.
It'll start to
Right here. This little piece.
our nails. You can definitely use these a different time. This set I got from TJ Maxx for $5.99. It's from the Crème shop. And this is what our nails look like. I did Aubrey's. Aubrey's did mine. I think she did a good job.
I really liked how these nails turned out. I could maybe improve. This was my first time, so do not judge me. And these, I think, are so cute. They turned out so cute, and I really like how like all of the nails. I really like all the nails. My favorite one has to be the one with the blue, with the Hello Kitty blue on it, because blue is my favorite color. So, yeah.
So I like, my favorite one is the Hello Kitty, this one. I do like the bow, it's cute. But I think all of the nails came out cute. I think this is super cute. The nail strips I love. It should last about 2 weeks, depending on how you take care of them. And I think this would be fun Easter nails, so that's why I decided to pull it out and just do something fun with Aubrey and have something cute for tomorrow for Easter. So if you're watching this, I'm recording it before Easter. If you're watching this whenever I do put it up, you're watching it then. I'm not sure when I will put it up. But thank you guys so much for watching.
And if you like my videos like these, click the bell so you can get notified when my mom makes new videos, and check out her channel.
Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.